Ready for pushback. Requesting runway 27 left.
November 514 Echo Juliet, pushback approved, expect runway 27 left.
Pushback approved. November 514 Echo Juliet.
United 6713 Super, you're on an active airport, please contact London Heathrow ground on 121.7.
London Heathrow ground. United 6713 Super. Request taxi to parking.
United 6713 Super, taxi to parking.
Taxiing to parking. United 6713 Super. November 514 Echo Juliet. Request frequency change.
November 514 Echo Juliet, frequency change approved, good day.
Frequency change approved. November 514 Echo Juliet. Good day.
London Heathrow ground, Air France 122, ready to taxi to runway 27 left. Alpha India 131, you're on an active airport, please contact London Heathrow ground on 121.7. Taxiing to parking, Speedbird 112 Heavy. London Heathrow ground, Emirates 16, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 left. Emirates 16, pushback approved, expect runway 27 left. Pushback approved, Emirates 16. Alpha India 131, you're on an active airport, please contact London Heathrow ground on 121.7. London Heathrow Ground, Air Canada 1020, ready to taxi. Air Canada 1020, taxi to runway 27 left, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 left, Air Canada 1020. Alpha India 131, you're on an active airport, please contact London Heathrow. Alpha India 131, cross runway 27 right. Alpha India 131, cross runway 27 left. Crossing runway.
London Heathrow Ground, Alitalia 17.
London Heathrow Ground, November 820 Kilo Victor, ready to taxi to runway 27 right. November 820 Kilo Victor, taxi to runway 27 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 right, November 820 Kilo Victor.
London Heathrow Ground, Speedbird 689, ready to taxi.
Speedbird 397, taxi to parking. Taxiing to parking, Speedbird 397. Pushback approved, Avavia 64. Parking. Runway 27 left, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 left, Avavia 64. Air Force 14, taxi to parking.
London Heathrow Ground, Orange 467, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 left.
Taxiing to parking, Air Force 14. Orange 467. November 393 Uniform Echo, pushback approved, expect runway 27 left. Pushback approved, November 393 Uniform Echo.
Orange 467.
London Heathrow Ground, Etihad 19, request taxi to parking. Etihad 19.